All right, now I'm on the bottom of page 394. Let's take a look. The area of any parallelogram, including a rectangle, can be found using the formula area equals base times height. We found that out yesterday. You can use a parallelogram to look at more triangles. Okay, so if we look at this acute triangle right here, this acute triangle, if we took the mirror of this triangle, meaning we took this corner right here and brought it, folded it across to up to here, be about here, okay, we can make a congruent parallelogram. Okay, this isn't going to be perfect, but just to give you an idea. So these two would be mirrors of each other, or congruent. So arrange two triangles to make the parallelogram. So now we have a parallelogram. We have this line is parallel to this line, and this line, as best as I could anyways, it's not perfect, I agree with you there. This line, it should be parallel with this line. Okay, so had I drawn it perfectly, would the triangles be congruent? Yes. If the area of the parallelogram is 10, what is the area of each triangle? So if the whole thing is 10, by cutting it in half, the area of each one would be half of 10. So the area of each triangle would be half of 10, which is 5. Okay. Explain how you know. I know because each triangle is half of the parallelogram. Each one of these triangles is exactly half of the parallelogram. We cut the parallelogram in half. Okay, repeat steps A and B with this obtuse triangle. So again, imagine we're folding this across, and this point is going to go about here, I would say, if we folded it directly across. And then if I make this parallelogram, again, it's not going to be absolutely perfect, I understand that, but just so you get the idea. Oops. There we go. So we pretend we folded this across right along this line. Can you use the formula area equals 1/2 times base times the height to find the area of any triangle? Explain. Okay, so yes, we can. Because the area, excuse me, I should say because, still can't do it. Now this time, so Isaac was saying, oh, Mr. Music, try this. And I have been trying, Isaac, I have been trying. But that time I was simply erasing and it went to the next page. So I don't know how to prevent that from happening. Yes, because See, there I was erasing again, did I? Yes, because each triangle can be drawn as two congruent triangles that, let's say form a parallelogram. And that's what we were working with yesterday. So any triangle, if we basically made a copy of that triangle and put it next to it like we did here and here, they form parallelograms. And since any parallelogram you use base times height, then any triangle you can do half the base times the height to find the area of any triangle. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.